As we move down the list of common action options, the next two items are Open Lightbox Slide and Close Lightbox. To the learner, a Lightbox slide looks and feels like a pop-up window. But behind the scenes, it's really no different from any other slide. A Lightbox slide has its own timeline, properties, controls, and objects, and you can assign triggers to it just like you would with any other slide. When the learner opens a Lightbox slide, they'll still see the player and the original slide behind it, but the Lightbox appears in front, slightly smaller and centered on the screen. While it's open, the learner can't interact with the base slide or the player controls until the Lightbox is closed. If you want to present multiple slides as a series of Lightbox slides, you can check the Navigation Controls checkbox to let learners move forward and backward using the player's next and previous buttons, just like they normally would. So when would you want to use that setup? Picture this. You're teaching a topic like understanding an engine's inner workings. The learner starts on a main slide with a diagram of the engine and a button labeled Explore Components. When they click it, a Lightbox slide opens showing the piston assembly. The learner clicks next to see the crankshaft connect, then the valves and timing belt come into play. Each slide builds on the last, layering visuals and explanations to show how all the parts work together. By using Lightboxes this way, learners can explore the information at their own pace, flipping through visuals, comparing parts, and seeing the big picture come together, all without ever leaving the main slide. The Close Lightbox action simply closes the Lightbox and returns the learner to the original slide, where they can continue with the lesson,